Good day everyone. So ngayon no, isa-set natin no yung ating server para sa remote desktop. So iba yung video para sa client. Okay, so ngayon aayusin natin ang setting ng ating server para sa remote desktop. So there are two ways no. So pwede so dito sa server manager no. Pwede mo i-click tong configure this local server. Okay? O kaya pwede mong i-click yung local server dito. Okay, so pareho lang. Okay, so pag click natin to, so ito yan, no? So tingnan mo yung remote desktop, no? Naka-disable. Okay? So meaning naka-disable ang ating remote desktop. So para mag-enable yan, i-click natin. Okay? So dito, no, sa remote, i-click mo yung allow remote connections to this computer. Okay? So, click mo yan. Then, allow connection only from computers running remote desktop. So, huwag nyo tatanggalin yan. Click mo apply. Tapos, okay. So, try na natin, no? Pag, repeat mo ulit, no? Pag click mo yan, no? Naka-enable na ang ating remote desktop. So, meaning, ang ating server is ready for remote desktop. Okay? So, stay safe and God bless.